This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an eSIM to your Apple Watch Ultra. First, make sure your iPhone is running the most recent iOS and your Apple Watch Ultra has the latest Watch OS installed. Next, verify that your cellular carrier offers eSIM support for the Apple Watch and that you have an active cellular plan ready. Finally, keep your iPhone and Apple Watch Ultra within a few inches of each other throughout the entire setup process for a seamless connection. To activate your cellular service, begin by opening the Apple Watch app on your paired iPhone. From there, tap on the My Watch tab located at the bottom of the screen. Then, scroll down and select the cellular option. You will then see a prompt to set up cellular or add a new plan. Simply tap this and follow the straightforward, step-by-step instructions provided by your cellular carrier to complete the activation. Should you encounter any issues during activation, a simple restart of both your iPhone and Apple Watch Ultra can often resolve minor glitches. Then, attempt the setup again. It's also crucial to double-check that your cellular plan is indeed active and fully compatible with your specific Apple Watch Ultra model. If problems persist after these steps, don't hesitate to reach out to your cellular carrier's customer support team for personalized assistance and troubleshooting. With your eSIM successfully connected, you can now enjoy the full benefits of your Apple Watch Ultra. You'll be able to make and receive calls and texts directly from your wrist, even when your iPhone is not within range. This cellular connectivity also allows you to stream music and use various apps independently. Experience unparalleled freedom and convenience with a truly connected wearable device, giving you more flexibility throughout your day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.